Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today I have very special recipe for iftari, which is Afghani beef pulao. And today also I will be cooking in the outdoor. So let's get started and let's see the recipe. First of all, I will place the cooking pot. I have 2 kilo of rice and 2 kilo of beef. So I use a big pot. And inside I already add the onion. So now time to add the ghee. This is 1 cup of ghee. And I will roast the onion in the ghee until the color is turned into brown. Now onion is turned into the brown, so this is the time we will add the ginger garlic paste with the chili paste, green chili. So just roast it for half an hour. Just roast it for 30 seconds. Then after that we will add the beef. You will get the very nice smell. And now it's time to add the beef. So this beef is already washed and this is bone-in beef. Just add it all and you will be roasting together with the ginger garlic paste and the onion. It will take a while until the water is dry from the beef. So you have to wait until the water is dry. Okay, now this is our first check. Now water is getting dry. As you can see, water is dry now. Just only a little bit left. So this is the time to add all the spices, yogurt and salt. And this is 1 cup of yogurt. And I will add the spices. Half tablespoon of healthy powder. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. And 1 tablespoon of garam masala and 2 tablespoons of salt. For the salt according to your taste and later you can add it. And this is the dry spices. I have cumin seed, black pepper, star anise, black cardamom and cinnamon stick. So I will add it all. At the same time, I will add also the sliced tomato. And just mix all well together. So you have to roast this one at least 15 to 20 minutes until all tomatoes and ingredients become paste. You have to roast it well. You don't need to cover it, just roast it in the open. After we add all the spices, let's check. It's already roasted well and tomato is already becoming cooked. And water also totally dry. So this is the time we will add the water. This is the 2 liters of water. I will just add it all to make it the meat become soft. Just add all water. Okay, and you will cover it and you will cook until beef are becoming soft. Now our meat is already soft. So we will add the mint leaves, green chilies, and I will just stir it one time, and I will going to add the rice. This is a soak, right? We soak it 1 hour in the water. So rice is also ready. And just mix it with the beef gravy. And just to be careful this time, if you mix too much, the rice will be break. So just mix it one time, that's enough. And now I will cover it, and once the water is dry, the rice will be cooked also. Now this is separately we are making for the topping for Afghani beef pulao. So we need the ghee. This is quarter cup of ghee. And I will fry the radish. This is the sliced radish. I will fry it in the ghee. If it become a little bit soft, I will add the water. For now, you have to fry it like at least 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, now I will add the water a little bit just to make the carrot more soft and more cooked. And just cook it in the water. At least carrot will become cooked very softly. And now I will add 1 full hand of raisin. And I will add the sugar. And this is a 2 tablespoons of sugar. So the topping will be slightly sweet. Stir it. And wait for the carrot will become properly soft. This is our topping. So if like this soggy is ready, so I'm going to add from the top of our rice. Rice is still not 100% cooked. After we add the topping, we will cover it and we will cook more. Right? So just add it all. Once you add all, and then I will cover it and we will cook it. Okay, this is finally our rice is cooked. So I will open now. Oh ho ho, smell is so nice. You can see the steam is still there and the rice are very long and it's well cooked. As you can see here, I will just take it to up a little bit. This is our rice. Smell is very nice. So now I will start the dish out. This is our rice. And the meat is so soft also. I can see it already here. You can see here, the meat is very soft. And the topping also very nice. So I will just taste a little bit. It's perfect. It's so tasty. This is my first time cooking for Afghani beef pulao, but this is the best dish for me. And if you try it at home, just comment it below and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.